Hi everyone, my name is Matan from Anima, and I'm going to show you how to use Anima in order to convert your Figma design into code, and how you can prompt over the design and create apps and prototypes using vibe coding. So when you're using Anima, you need to start with your Figma design. So we are in Figma right now, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first way you can use Anima is actually just copy and paste the Figma link into Anima. So what you need to do is just click on the frame you want to copy. For instance, this is the design I found on the Figma community. Right click, copy and paste as, copy to link selection. Now I can go and look for dev.anima.animaapp.com, and right here I can just paste the link I copied. Now I can choose the framework I would like to work with. I can use HTML or React and whatever you want. In this case, let's use HTML because it's quicker and simpler. And I click enter, and now what Anima is going to do is going to import the design from Figma into our playground, which is the vibe coding environment we are using, we developed. As you can see, we are importing everything, and here you go. You can see the design from Figma, but now it's all written with code. As you can see, it's exactly the same. All right, so now you're in the playground. What can you do? So you can do multiple stuff, whatever you want, for example. For example, I would like to add an over effect when I'm hovering over this button. So I can use the inspector. This is the feature. So I can select any items and element in my project, and I can click on that. As you can see, this is a button, and I can tell the AI, add an over effect to this button. All right, now the AI is going to do that job. You let it a few seconds. Go, and voila, we have an over effect when we are hovering this button. As you can see, there is an effect, and you can that tells me that I'm hovering over this button. So this is only one example of what you can do with our playground. But when you're finished, when you finish working on your project and you are satisfied with that and you want to share it with your friends and family, you can publish it and then share the URL with everyone. How can you do that? Just click on publish over here, and then you can open the project, and there you go. This is your website or app, whatever you want to work with. So this was only one use case, one way of how using Anima. The second way is using our plugin, which I'm going to show you in the next video. It's more flexible. You have more options you can do there, and you can choose whatever you want. You can use either this way, which I showed you, or the plugin, which I'll show you in the next video. So